Welcome back to LGS Cars. When the world longed for a true icon, Toyota answered with something far greater than just an evolution. The Toyota Prius 2026 emerges not merely as a successor, but as a rebirth of a legend, bolder, smarter, and more futuristic than we ever imagined. This is not just another Prius, this is the car that dares to redefine hybrid mobility for a new era. Exterior design, a radical reinvention. The 2026 Prius no longer hides behind the safe and modest looks of its past. It now embraces a striking fastback-inspired silhouette with sharp aerodynamic lines and coupe-like proportions. Front fascia, slim C-shaped LED headlights with a dramatic light signature stretch across the grille-less front, emphasizing its futuristic personality. Side profile, a dynamic roofline meets sculpted panels with flush door handles and aerodynamic alloys ranging from 18 to 20 inches. Rear design, full-width LED taillight bar with a glowing Toyota badge, paired with a sleek diffuser that screams sophistication and efficiency. The Prius has always been about efficiency, but now it finally looks as fast as it feels. Dimensions and space, Toyota carefully balances sleek proportions with practicality. Length, approximately 4,600 mm. Width, approximately 1,780 mm. Height, approximately 1,420 mm. Lower and sportier stance than before. Wheelbase, approximately 2,750 mm, creating more cabin space. Cargo capacity, up to 500 liters, thanks to clever packaging of the battery beneath the floor. This is no longer just a compact hybrid, it's a stylish family-ready fastback, powertrain, and hybrid revolution. At its core, the Prius remains loyal to its mission, blending efficiency with innovation. But in 2026, Toyota elevates it into something extraordinary. Engine, a 2.0L dynamic force gasoline engine paired with Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system. Electric motor, high-output motors deliver instant torque and smoother acceleration. Battery, lithium-ion pack, lighter and more energy-dense than ever. Output, up to 220 horsepower depending on trim. Fuel economy, estimated at 25 to 27 km EL, setting a new benchmark in its class. Plug-in hybrid Prius Prime offers up to 70 to 80 km of pure EV range, perfect for urban daily commutes. With these upgrades, the Prius 2026 isn't just efficient, it's genuinely exciting to drive. Interior and technology, the futuristic cabin. Step inside, and you'll discover a cabin that feels like it belongs in the next decade. Dashboard, minimalist design with a massive 12.3-inch floating touchscreen, running Toyota's latest AI-powered infotainment system. Digital cluster, a 7-inch driver display positioned high for better visibility. Materials, premium soft-touch surfaces, eco-leather upholstery, and customizable ambient lighting. Connectivity, 5G-ready system with OTA over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Extras, head-up display, voice assistant powered by AI, and a panoramic glass roof for a sense of openness. This is not just a car interior, it's a command center for the future of mobility, safety, and driver assistance. The Prius 2026 is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, ensuring peace of mind on every journey, adaptive cruise control with lane tracing, pre-collision system with enhanced pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitor with safe exit assist, 360 camera with AI-assisted parking, semi-autonomous highway driving mode. Toyota transforms safety into a predictive guardian angel that always stays alert. Market position and legacy. The Prius has always symbolized progress. In 1997, it introduced hybrid to the masses. In 2026, it reinvents itself once again, standing at the intersection of eco-consciousness and futuristic design. Competes directly with Hyundai Ioniq, Honda Insight, and Tesla Model 3 hybrid alternatives. Perfect for urban professionals, eco-conscious families, and future-focused drivers. Represents Toyota's vision of bridging combustion and electrification in one seamless package. Final thoughts: the Toyota Prius 2026 is more than a hybrid, it's a statement of intent. A declaration that sustainability can also be thrilling, stylish, and desirable. For years, people drove the Prius for efficiency. Now, they'll drive it for passion, This isn't evolution. This is reinvention.